What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And now it's too late at night. I can't drink coffee, but I'm gonna drink a tea from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, definitely everything, tastes better with Casper. Right now it's gonna be a very quick update. Okay, like I told you guys, I gave you guys some entries on my last video, on even yesterday. Let's see how those trades have been doing if you had uh, taken those entries. Okay, so yeah, first of all we're gonna look at that and look at the market performance also. So like, let's do it in the right order. Look at the market performance, look at that excuse me, look at those trades in pricing details, and then look at those trades. Okay, I don't know if I'm if I'm saying it right. Okay, I'm a little bit trying to rush. Anyways, now first let's look at the market performance. Okay, I'm trying to make this video as short as possible because those entries are right now, they are very valuable that you look at this price, the way it is going. But well, let's look at crypto bubbles right quick. Looking at crypto bubbles here, come on, crypto bubbles right here. Because like, this is funny, like everybody else is still talking about the way things are going, but you're supposed to understand. That's why I told you, you have to choose narrative coins. Okay, real world assets. If you look at the coins that are pumping, most of them are real world assets that are pumping, that are going. But again, the coins that we are trading, we do want to sleep good at night. We do not want to, get up and next day something else is falling. Just for example, I'll give you a quick example. Look at XRP, for example. uh, Look at that. This is the thing. XRP was almost at $3, and the way it fell off the cliff, nobody understands. But again, I understand, because I told you guys, these guys, the team has a lot of XRP in their escrow, and they are releasing 1 billion coin every I think it's every month, or I forgot exactly how long it takes them to release it. So you have to really pay attention to that kind of stuff. I am more attracted to coins that have their already excuse me right quick. I am more attracted to coins that have their total supply either 80 or 90% out there, or probably completely out. Understand? If they were proof of stake. Proof of work, that is a different story, because nobody can dump on you that much. Okay? But anyways, now let's go look at the let's go back at crypto bubbles right quick. So crypto bubbles, looking at the king, the Casper itself, because Casper, like guys, is showing sign it's about to take off. For the past hour, Casper is down 0.46%, 3.7% up on the day, 9.6% up on the week, 49.5% up on the month, and 17.1% up on the year. Look at the market cap, 4.11 billion dollar market cap. If you remember yesterday, when it was around that 3.8, I told you guys get ready, because it's about to take off. So yeah, it looks like it's doing exactly that at the moment. So if you look at, again, we look at quant QNT right here, 2.6% up the last hour, 8.7% up on the day, 64.2% up on the week, 166% up on the month, 48.7% up on the year. Do you guys remember that yearly? Not even a couple of days ago, it was negative. It was like negative 40 something percent, and I told you guys to pay attention to that. Sitting at the market cap of $2.19 billion and a trading volume for the past 24 hours of $264.5 million. Quant is moving, guys. Now, if you look at Jasmine, JAS, we have here 1.1% down the last hour, 7.7% down up on the day, 67.1% up on the week, 139% up in the month, and 597% up on the year. Market cap sitting at $1.93 billion. And man, boy oh boy, look at that 24-hour trading volume. 1.32 $1.32 billion. This is very fantastic, guys, and I'll show you the reason why I'm saying this. Okay, now let's go right quick into my trading view. If you open up trading view, we about to look at these prices in a little bit of detail, see if you still have a chance if you wanted to enter a trade. Okay, so let's go to the charts, and now we're looking at King Casper. Casper right now, I think it's two things. Okay, one is gonna be, like I always tell you. Oh, let's go back here. Like I always tell you, in every trade, guys, there is a before the trade, during the trade, and after the trade. Okay, like I always tell you guys that me being an aggressive trader, I like to have my trade open before the trade, so I can even see my trade go down negative. I don't really mind that because I know sooner than later it's going to take off. The one that is a no is don't open during a trade. Okay, and then the after the trade comes when you have to wait to see what price is going to do. Now, looking at this chart right now, we are on the 1 hourly on Casper. Looking at this chart, from what I've been telling you guys, you can always see, look, this right here, yesterday I was telling you guys that this was a perfect entry, even though price was going down, but this was a perfect entry. Okay, if you did enter it, congratulations, because right now you are probably up, a percentage. If you did not enter it, look at this right now, we'll be looking at this. For me, if I did not have a trade open, I would probably open a trade right here, because look at the ribbon, it just flipped green, and then look at the moving average, he's just starting to go up. So yeah, you still having running the danger of that this price, okay, because this is a very big resistance, and I've been showing you guys, we're still running the fact that this could get rejected, come back down to retest the moving ribbon somewhere around there. Yes, you will be in a little bit of negative, but it will bounce to go again and try it, and this time hopefully break above it. Okay, that is the risk you want to take. The second option, okay, like some people like to do, is to wait until price goes above this resistance, comes back, turn it into support, and then you enter your trade. But the reason why I do not recommend this is because, one, Casper moves different. When Casper breaks above a major resistance, it usually shoots very high. Sometimes it doesn't give you the second opportunity to come back and take that trade. Understand? That is why I do not recommend that. For me, that risk right here, I usually like taking it here. That's what I told you guys when it was going down. I told you guys, if you remember, I told you the ribbon was curving. Okay, once the ribbon starts to curve, that means price is going high. So therefore, yeah, that's what I would have put in. If you still on the sidelines, like I said before, now is a good chance you can take it, but you know that this could get rejected and it could come back to retest the ribbon. Okay, so those are the things, two things I'm looking at right now. This is on the 1 hour. If we go on the 4 hourly, see, that's what I'm saying. I'm telling you, see, ribbon still curving, moving average still way down, so we still have a chance that this could get rejected, come back a little bit, and go back up, because the moving average is way down here. Or again, if you want to wait for it to break, but again, Casper moves different. See how these candles are going? Look at the moving ribbon. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see this. See, look at the moving ribbon. It has started to sprayed out, which shows me that, guys, this is gonna be like probably a very forceful break to this resistance all the way up. Okay, so yeah, it's up to you, not financial advice, if you want to enter a trade or if you want to wait for it to come back down and retest. Okay, so see what it does. It's up to you. For me, I would have entered that trade already. Anyways, now let's go look at quant right quick to see where quant is doing at this time of the night. Because for me, like I told you guys, oh wow, look at that, That's Casper here. It's already started. It looks like it want to come back down, just like I was just saying. But oh well, that's what it is. Up to you. Anyways, now let's go look at Quant right quick. Man, I'm such a maxi. I think Casper every time. But anyways, looking at Quant now. We are on the 1 hourly, okay? Let me zoom in just a little bit. I'm gonna zoom in and I'll move this right here. On the 1 hourly, we are facing a major resistance. Like I was telling you guys, 150 $150 is a major resistance. As you can see, price tried so many times in the last couple of hours and it couldn't. See, we went, it couldn't. So right now, looking at the ribbon, just the same situation. See, ribbon was trying to go flat, but now it's beginning to curve up again, which tells me that this continuation is about to go. And that going, we're talking about next resistance is going to be 164 $164 for quant. Now, if you pay attention for the last bull run, 164 was kind of a little bit of a headache for quant to break. Okay, so now we still have the moving average way down here. I think this price is going to continue to give the moving average a chance to climb above 125. So people are still thinking like, okay, we are coming back to retest it. I don't think so. The chances are very slim for price to come back down to 125. I think right now it is more easier for price to go and break that $164. Okay, now if I zoom in, go on, let me try to zoom in again on a 4 hourly time frame. See that? This is why I'm telling you that I think the price is going higher. Look at the moving ribbon. It is spraying out like crazy right now. And what have I always told you guys? That is a sign of continuation. Okay, see, above the 125, so it's going to spray. It's going to go really above it. Okay, so right, we are looking at it. If I wasn't in a trade, guys, this will be a time that I'm gonna get into that trade, because even if it falls, we have a support 125, although the chances of it coming back down there are very slim. But anyways, it is up to you. If you zoom out on the weekly, let's go on the weekly. That's like, I gotta show you why I'm saying this. Okay, not on the daily, come on, weekly. On the weekly, let me close this guy and then zoom out. Now the VIP retracement, like I did, as you guys can see, this really works perfectly when you draw it right. Okay, as you can see right now, there's my arrow right there. Price has come up the way. Look at that. 150 is a resistance. Next one is the fib retracement at 91. Okay, but we have this 164 somewhere right here. If you follow the line, look at that. There's a lot of trading activities right there at 164, 165. So yeah, that could be a little bit of a headache. But if quant blows out of it, okay, we are gonna have us here the next fib, which is 190. And guys, there is a little bit of resistance right here, that 208 was also a little bit of a headache for quant during the last bull run. So yeah, it served as a lot of support, also served as a lot of resistance when the market was going up. So yeah, that's why I have that line right there. If we manage to break it, the next one is going to be at 237, 235, thereabout. But you already know the golden pocket always attracts the price. So yeah, quant could run as high as 285, 287, thereabout, and guys, not stopping. What I like about this price action is, like, as soon as we break that, guys, all-time high, there is barely no resistance, to the to the all-time high. So if we can break this, okay, 290, that means quant is going to be at that $499 in a heartbeat. There's not much resistance on it. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm looking at right now. So if you did take that position when I was telling you guys about it, to pay attention on it at that 125 going up, and then even yesterday when it was taking a breather, congratulations, because right now you're probably sitting on some good money. Because yesterday, like I said, I told you guys yesterday, pay attention to it, because price went up and it was coming down, and I told you guys this downwards is going to be a pretty good entry, because is sitting on top of this resistance, now turn into support. It's going to turn into support and then start to go up again. So that's what I was looking at. So congratulations if you did take that trade. Now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Jasmine is the one that is showing much more uh, like a better opportunity than all of them that I've mentioned about. Than it is showing a better opportunity than Casper, Quant right now on the leverage. I mean, okay, because Jasmine, remember, I told you guys the best thing that usually do that every time that crypto breaks out, it usually come back and retest. Right now, see, Jasmine broke out, it broke through, so that wasn't a retest. It broke out again, and now price is coming back in and retesting that 3.8. Guys, 3.8 right now is now the new support. If I wasn't in a trade, this would be a perfect opportunity to enter a trade. Not financial advice, but this would be perfect right now, because if you jump in here, next resistance is going to be up there at 4.5. Okay, 4.5 cents. Once we turn that into support, Jasmine is heading up higher and higher. I mean 10 to 12 cents. That's where we're heading into. So this what you're looking at right now is a perfect and beautiful entry for Jasmine right now. I don't know, it's up to you. Whenever I upload this video, might be too late, but it's something like I'm saying, like I've said it yesterday and I'm saying it again today. So yeah, not financial advice, but if you wanted to enter a Jasmine trade, this is a very, very good good entry. Okay, now if you look at it on the 4-hourly, see right now 4 hours still going, and guys, it seems like we are forming some kind of flag. Okay, let me zoom out right quick. Okay, let me zoom out right quick so that you can see it better. See, it seems like we are forming some kind of flag, which again, as you can see, price tried to go and got rejected. It's coming back again. It's getting the moves are getting smaller and smaller. I mean, sorry, not the move. The candles are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So therefore, I'm expecting this. Once there's a resistance right now that is getting formed. Once it gets it, it's gonna bounce off, going towards that 2.4 cents. So yeah, again, let's go back here. On spot, you are very, very like you can still buy Casper. Anything under $1 on Casper is a very good buying opportunity. Quant is also still a very good opportunity, because minimum of this run for Quant is around that 1,500, and the upside for Quant is laying up there. I think it's gonna go up to $5,000. Might be less. Oh well, I'm taking my chances with it. So yeah, right now leverage, Jasmine is giving you the best opportunity to enter on leverage, but on spot, they are all giving you better opportunities because they haven't run yet. Okay, now that being said, guys, below I do have my Phemex, Bydfi, and Margex links. Use those links, guys. You gotta take the opportunity. Sign up, get the free money. Once you get the free money, use that money, their free money, okay? You have to meet their deposit requirements first. Once you meet that, they give you the free money. Use their free money and practice. Turn $5 into 10, 10 into 20, 20 into 100. Once you have mastered it, not as much. Once, because I'm telling you, practice is what is going to give you that experience that you need. Once you get it, you can then follow me, follow somebody else, or do you and start making the money. Do not wait, guys, because this bull run will be over faster than a lot of people think. But anyways, now let's go look at my positions to see how they have been doing since yesterday that I was telling you about all this. Okay, first we start with Bydfi, which I recommend for beginners, because Bydfi is a lot more forgiving. You don't have to worry about exchange fees, because they get taken from your position, and when you start to add to your position for the exchange fees, it brings down your liquidation point. Understand? You will see it once you start using it. Anyways, let's go on my Bydfi right there. Earlier today, you guys know my Bydfi. This is the funniest part of it. Look at that. I am up to that right now, 29, almost $30,000 on my BYDFi. That is the craziest part of it. Because just a couple of days ago, not even a week, this position was sitting at $6,000. So now if I look at my contracts right here, you see that Caspa is almost breaking even. I'm down. I'm still down, but it's just 5%, which is $267. You guys remember it was down what, 20% or something like that. So yeah, Caspa is looking like it's breaking out. Looking at Quant, where are my haters at? Everybody else was hating on Quant. On Quant, I am up 252%, which is 18,400, and this is just the beginning. Like I told you guys, this thing is going places, guys. We can see it right here. So if you look, that 164 I just told you is a major resistance. This in my position will be up $21,000 by the time we get there. And if we mess around and Quant goes to all-time high, my position will be worth $94,000. So yeah, the bull run has started. And guys, this is just something that I'm telling you, you still have a lot of time to get in there, but you have to hurry. Because guys, look at this. Let me show you this right quick. I almost forgot. I wanted to show it to you, which is that the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, BTC, the dominance right here, the Bitcoin dominance, this thing. Remember, I was telling you guys that this was free falling, and free falling, it means we have all these opportunities. See how it broke? I told you guys, right? It always follows the moving average. Okay, look at how it broke down. Moving average now is about to turn into free fall. Look at the ribbon, is free falling. And then look at if you go on the weekly, this is the places that I'm looking at. This right here, first target of this dominance is going to be here at 52%. 52% is just going to be just the beginning of the altcoin season. Everybody else thinks that the altcoin season has started. I don't think so, guys. Once we hit this 52%, this thing comes down there, yeah, the altcoin season has started. That's why I keep telling you that you still have enough time to enter your trades, to buy your coins on spot and all that stuff. Okay, once you hit it here, if it breaks below it, the next target is going to be here, 47%. Once it hit that 47%, the altcoin season will be in full mode. Now everybody is expecting it to go all the way down to 37. Okay, now but me, I don't think we are getting all the way down to 37, guys. I don't think so. I have a feeling that it is going to come all the way down to 42%. Anything between 42 and 39%, thereabout. By the time we get here, we'll be in full altcoin season. Okay, and this is when, if you want to take profit on your positions, whatever you want to do, you got to do it there, because that means the Bitcoin is about to start taking off. You know, the dominance is going to start taking off, and the price of Bitcoin is going to start going, and that will lead for all this altcoin to start to bleed. Okay, so yeah, that would be a very good place if you want to take your position, if you want to take some profit. So yeah, let's go back here again. So yeah, as you can see, my positions are doing pretty good on BYDFi. Now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. Phemex, you guys know that's where I do have my Jasmine, and I also have a Caspa trade. Okay, so looking at my Phemex, wow, guys, the same situation like BYDFi. It was sitting at $7,000 like less than a week ago. You can check my videos, it's all there. Today I am sitting up at 31,100 in profits. That is how crazy the market can go. And guys, this is just the beginning. We have not even started the altcoin seasons yet. So if you go to my contract, Jasmine is killing it. On my Jasmine, I am up 121%, which is $14,000. Caspa, as usual, again, Caspa still lagging behind, but that beast is about to wake up. The beast is coming. So I am still down 4%, which is around $240, which again, guys, I don't mind it. It's about to take off. Man, you do not understand. Jasmine, for example, I've been telling you guys here, look at that. Jasmine next resistance is going to be at 4.5 cents. For me, it's $18,000. If we break that copper handle, like I said, next price target is going to be at between 10 to 12 cents. Let's just say 12 cents. That is $80,000 for me. You got to pay attention, guys. And again, after that, we do have 20 cents, guys. 20 cents was a big resistance during the last bull market, but 20 cents it will put me at $146,000. Okay, now months to come, like I said, the all-time high for me for this run on Jasmine, it looks like it's gonna be 60 cents. Now, if they lock up more coins, it might go higher, but for me at 60 cents, I will start paying a lot of attention to the market. Now, 60 cents will be $477,000 for me. Now, let's go look at my Margex. You guys know my Margex is my newest account that I just opened, and you guys were live with me on this one. Okay, so let's go look at Margex. Because here I do have 8 different trades, which is 7 SUI trades and 7 Casper trades and 1 SUI trade. So here, as you can see, my SUI, I am up 91%, which is $900. Not a big deal. You got to remember, this morning my Casper was lagging behind. My first 2 trades, they're beginning to pick up, which is 91% each, which is $913 for each. The next 2, if you look at them, they are up 266% each, which is $2,600. Okay, now we go to the next one, which is up 573%, which is 5,700. Okay, and the last 2, okay, you guys remember I opened them in pairs. The last 2, they are up 251%, which is $10,600 each. Okay, as you can see right here, everything I do, I show you guys. Again, not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys what I am doing. If you want to copy, that is great. If you don't, that is also up to you. But do not say I did not tell you. You understand? Don't say I didn't tell you. Anyways, now that was the, let me go back right here. Yeah, that was just the update on my trades. Okay, so of all of them, Jasmine is showing you great entry points right now. If you want to take it, that is up to you. Okay, the same thing with Casper. It's also showing you a great entry point on leverage. But Quant, I will wait until I see $164, see what the price is gonna do over there. What are we gonna get rejected or all that stuff? Okay, that's what I'll wait. But on spot, the 3 of them, you can't go wrong on spot. If you want to buy them and hold the coins on spot, you cannot go wrong. I repeat myself. Okay. Anyways, that being said, guys, thank you very much for checking out these updates on these trades. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because the more you do all these things, the more YouTube puts these videos in front of people like you and I with millionaire mind attitude. Okay, that being said, please, so until I see you in my next one, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.